Mix it in a little bit. After this, also another good opportunity to go ahead and hit your Traeger Q, get your first little layer of sauce down here. This is still pretty hot. So basically what it's doing is still cooking a little bit. We don't want that to get dry whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and take this time to add a little bit of moisture, flavor, awesomeness. Mix that up. Everything maintaining its flavor and just so good. This recipe is absolutely easy, you guys. You guys saw exactly what we were doing. It's basically just a few steps, and you could have pulled pork just as amazing as this. This is something that if you take to any party, this Traeger smoked pulled pork, everyone is gonna go hog wild for it. All right, guys, so we're gonna add the finished touch here. We're gonna just put a little bit more Traeger Q on the top of that. Let those flavors meld together and do their thing. Little bit of awesomeness. Traeger Q is where it's at. Retain that moisture in this pulled pork. And basically, this thing is done and ready for your party.